Good afternoon, explorers. Today we are in one of my favourite parts of London, South Kensington. We're going to have a quick look around the station area, give you a little bit of history, and just show you all the sort of cafes, bars, restaurants, a few of the shops as well, as we make our way around South Kensington. So now South Kensington is the station you're probably more likely to get off if you're going to any of the major museums, the Victoria and Albert Museum, Science Museum as well, I think Natural History Museum. You can get off at South Kensington and it's a very, very short walk over to the museum area on Exhibition Road. And here we are, this lovely old sign. And we're coming up to the road that leads us to the tube station. Now, here are lots of cafes and restaurants. If you're around the museum area and you fancy something to eat, then by all means, this is a good place to go. There's lots of proper restaurants, or there's sort of like fast food as well. So something for everybody. But we're going to make our way down here. There we are, there's some tapas bars over the road there. And we'll just make our way down here. It's a beautiful area to come to. It's a very wet day today, I'm afraid, but it's a beautiful place to come to, especially in the summer. It's a bit more of a chilled out area. Get away from the hustle and bustle of the Oxford streets and the Regent streets. Lots of beautiful old houses here, and the South Kensington tube station we'll see in a moment, but it actually has the original signs from when it first opened, but we'll see those in a minute. Another little cafe there. These beautiful houses on the right hand side with these little balconies. It's a shame it rained today, but I'm just making the most of it. Chopsticks food, noodle bar, and we're just coming up to South Kensington tube station now. If you're liking the video so far, please feel free to hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with any future videos. Also the like button, and leave any comments. Greatly appreciated, thank you. And here it is, the South Kensington tube station. Actually opened on Christmas Eve 1868. And these are the original signs. It says Metropolitan and District Railways, which ended up being the Metropolitan line and the District line. But the Piccadilly line runs through this now as well. But it's quite amazing that when this station was opened, not one person on this earth was alive. Quite a scary thought. There we go. Lots of visitors today because it is the sort of museum area, even though it is a wet, bit of a chilly day. We'll make our way around here and then we'll head through the entrance that we just saw. Sort of sandwich shop there. London is very good at being signposted, so if you're coming out of a tube station and there's a tourist attraction near you, it will give you signs. For example, the museums or Covent Garden, etc. So we're just going to walk through this thoroughfare now. South Kensington tube station actually has quite a in-depth history, so by all means look it up, Wikipedia, etc., just to get some history if that's your thing. Lots of shops here, pharmacy, little sandwich shops, and there's an entrance on the left to go down to the station platforms and trains. We're going to make our way through to the other side of the entrance and see the original outside wall, sort of red glossy wall. And there it is to our left. Lovely flower stall here outside on the right. There it is, South Kensington Station. I'll be doing a future video very soon on how to get around London, so as I said, please subscribe to make sure you don't miss that if you're visiting London. Make our way over to here, with lots of electric scooters and bikes that you can hire. Lots of pigeons on the floor, making use of any scraps. There's a public toilet there, right in front of us. To pay a fee and then the door will open. You can go about your business. Oh, there's a very loud motorcycle. A Harley Davidson. Wow, pretty cool. But yeah, lots of sandwich shops. Fast food, along with lots of restaurants to take advantage of. We'll just make our way around the corner and it'll bring us back to where we started, the other entrance. Up ahead there's a Five Guys chain restaurant. Not really my thing, but maybe you guys like it. And this amazing looking sandwich shop here with all these sort of different meats. Right, well I'm going to end the video there. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, please feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any future content, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching now. Bye now.